Let's use ChatGPT to automate Excel data. For example, we have this sales data. We would like to automate it using ChatGPT. If you are spending hours to make Excel report every week, so stop it, because in this video I will show you how to use ChatGPT to automate your report in just a second. So ChatGPT can help us with the Excel formula, summarize data, and even generate report summaries automatically. You just need to know how to ask and how to write the prompt. So let's start. For example, I would like to just come here to the ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT with me. I will write here, create a summary report for this Excel data, show total sales, average, and top selling product. So here I will paste my data. I have already generated data using ChatGPT. Look at this data. So create summary report of this Excel data. That's okay. Press enter to generate for us. Then I have copied that data from ChatGPT here to MS Excel. So look at total sales 5,200, average in top selling product laptop. So it showed everything for us. But if you want this to copy to the Excel, so then simply write formulas for them. Simply write formula for us. So it will write the formulas for us simply. So the sum, the average, that is easy, max, and also the index formula to get the production name with highest sale. So this is that formula. For example, simply come here, and here we would like to find the total. Here we will just find the total. The total is easy. Okay, we will just use sum. The total sale. You can copy formula from ChatGPT, or you can simply just write like this. But to find the highest, okay, the product, like this formula, just come here. The average is also easy. You can find that, simply come here. The maximum, the max product, it means that top selling product. You can just use the max formula. It will write all the formulas for us. But to find the product name with highest sale, so for that, simply use this index. So it means that our table is started from the top corner. Okay, just cut your table and put that here. Simply then copy that data. Like, let's simply, I will just show to you. Simply now copy. You can specify these column in rows also, but it already, let's copy this now. For example, I would like to just find that here. Look at laptop. Simply by default it found for us laptop. It means this is the highest selling product for us. Like the laptop, let's find it 1200, and look at other values. So it is how you can use, and you can just summarize your data using ChatGPT. Just ask from ChatGPT, it will do everything for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.